Hi to all, welcome to my channel. This is Manasa Reddy. Today I am going to discuss the environmental topic, one of the environmental topic, solid waste management. We know that what is meant by solid waste, which was useless and unwanted, is called as solid waste. Okay. First, we want to know about what is the introduction of solid waste management here. The introduction of solid waste management is nothing but the term solid waste management mainly refers to the complete process of collecting, treating and disposing of solid waste. Here, solid waste management is nothing but a complete process which was collecting a waste, treating a waste and disposing a solid waste is called as solid waste management. Okay. Next, sources of solid waste. There are some sources for solid waste. The sources are solid domestic garbage, solid waste material from various industries, solid agricultural wastage, plastic, glass, metals, e-waste. Here e-waste means electronic waste, okay, etc. Medical waste, construction waste, okay. These are the sources of solid waste, okay. Next, solid waste management diagrams. We know that reuse, we can reuse paper, glass and organic waste for agricultural purpose, okay. Plastic, we know that we can reuse, okay. Next, municipal solid waste. Here, what is meant by municipal solid waste is nothing but everyday goods such as product packing, furniture, clothing, bottles, cans, food, newspaper, electronics and batteries are municipal solid waste, okay. How many types, how many ways we do a municipal solid waste? Here, household we do a solid waste, retail and shops we do a solid waste, municipal solid waste, okay. Road sweeping, constructional, commercial and industrial or institutional, okay, we will do a municipal solid waste. I think you are understanding, okay. Next, different sources of municipal solid waste. In previous we discussed sources of solid waste. Here different sources of municipal solid waste, okay. Here just solid waste. Here municipal solid waste in different sources, okay. These different sources of municipal solid management are divided into 5 categories. There are recyclable material, okay, we can reuse again and again. For example, glass, bottles, cans, paper, metals, okay. Next, composite waste, it is also a recyclable, a toys example. Next, biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste means which are decompose, okay. Degradable is called as biodegradable waste. Here, kitchen waste, vegetables, fruits, leaves are biodegradable wastages, okay. Inert waste, which are rocks and construction materials, is called as inert waste. Next, domestic hazardous and toxic waste. Here medicines, okay, which we used for medical purpose, that waste is called as toxic, okay, toxic waste. Next, light bulbs is called as domestic waste, electronic waste, etc. These are the domestic hazardous and toxic waste. Next, harmful effects of solid waste. Which are the effects from occurred from solid waste, okay. Bad odor of waste, the smell, odor means here smell, bad odor, okay, bad smell which was produced by the waste, okay, it called as bad odor of waste. Next, production of toxic gases, chemical gases. Next, air pollution will occur, water, soil pollution has been occurred, okay, for atmosphere. Next, spread of diseases, automatically where there is a bad odor smell, for that the mosquitoes and fall on that bad waste odor areas and it will spread diseases for humans and animals also. Next, effect on biodiversity. Bio means life, diversity means variety, effects on variety species, okay, which solid waste will affects on biodiversity. Next, important points about solid waste management. Here, the solid waste management is which the our Prime Minister Narendra Modi and present government introduced the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, which created a tackle this issue related to waste management, and it created awareness among the people and the proper treatment of the solid waste. Here, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi introduced the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan to clean our India, okay, without wastages, okay. It created awareness from the rural areas. On the time we can change our country as a clean country, okay, Swachh Bharat, okay, cleaner country, okay. This is about a solid waste management. We can revise once again. What is meant by solid waste? Here solid waste means useless and unwanted, okay. Introduction. In this, a solid waste management mainly refers to the complete process of collecting, treating and disposing of solid waste. Here solid waste management is nothing but a complete process, which a complete process of collecting a waste, treating a waste and disposing a waste. Solid waste is called as solid waste management. Here sources of solid waste are solid domestic garbages, solid waste material from various industries, solid agricultural wastage, plastic, glass, metals, e-waste, etc. are the solid waste, and medical waste, construction waste are the sources of solid waste management. Here the structure of the solid waste management diagram means here reuse, recycle and reduce, okay, like paper, glass, organic, plastic waste, okay. Next, municipal solid waste. In our daily lives we can did many things like clothing, bottles, like this. And here the structure of municipal solid waste, like household municipal solid waste, retailers and shop solid waste, and road sweeping municipal solid waste, constructional municipal solid waste, commercial municipal solid waste and institutional solid waste, okay. Next, here different sources of municipal solid waste. There are 5 categories. We know that recyclable, which we use again, is called as recyclable material like glass, bottles, cans, papers and metals, etc. Composite waste like toys, etc. Next, biodegradable, which will be decomposes, for example kitchen waste, vegetables, fruits and leaves. Next, inert waste, rocks, construction materials, okay. Domestic hazardous and toxic waste. Here toxic waste means medication, domestic wastage means light bulbs, electronic waste, like that. Next, harmful effects on solid waste. This solid waste, how will affects? Here bad odor of waste, production of toxic gases, air pollution, water and soil pollution will be occurred. The spreading of diseases and effects on variety species, biodiversity, effects on biodiversity. Next, important of solid waste management. Our Prime Minister, our new government brought an Swachh Bharat Abhiyan to clean our country without wasting, without throwing any bad materials on soil and other places like roads, parks, etc. And Swachh Bharat Abhiyan created awareness on people to proper treatment of solid waste, okay. This is our video today. Please do subscribe my channel, like and share, okay. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Please share this video. I think this was compulsory useful for every degree student who are studying third sem. Thank you all for listening.